One of the benefits of the runway extension is it allows the airlines to carry more weight out of our community in each individual airplane. Now, airlines can only carry so much weight. That could be a combination of bags, could be people or fuel. Well, because of our altitude being here at 7,800 feet in elevation above sea level, the airplane's performance isn't as strong, especially in the warmer months. That causes people to have to either not be on their airplane or their bags go, and they don't. So this will help mitigate that and allow more of the passengers' bags and the airplane to get where it needs to be. Another benefit of the runway extension is that it allows airlines to consider flying here to further destinations than wherever possible before. That same issue about their ability to carry weight could convert to fuel and give us more non-stop destinations than we've enjoyed in the past. It also improves the profitability of the airlines. We could see a reduction in the fares, or we could see that increase in options available to our community. And I think it's important also to think about is that for every passenger who travels through the airport is one less vehicle, one less rubber tire entry into our community, which, you know, Highway 82 in the town has got its own parking issues, its traffic issues. This should help make a step in the right direction for the community.
Well, this is the first phase of the project. Phase one was relocating the water supply for Buttermilk. But in relocating everything, we had to take the perimeter fence, we had to move the perimeter fence, which you can see. We had to take the bike path. The bike path used to cut just straight across, and now we had to do this nice little wind in here. We had to put 2 bridges in for that. We had to keep people riding their bike. The tower, at the height that it is right now, can't see the end of the runway. And so instead of building a new tower, which would have probably been about another 100 foot up, they decided to use the camera technology. There's actually 4 cameras on there right now, and those 4 cameras can see the end of the new runway. They have 4 monitors in the tower, so with those cameras over there, they can now see the movement area and do their traffic control from that.
Well, asphalt paving on airfields is quite a bit different because the airplane, commercial aircraft react differently to smoothness than what you see out on the highway. And so they use a different mix design, a different type of recipe, if you will, as you start building airfields. The testing is many times more than what you would do on a normal asphalt paving job.
And this project was funded with the majority of monies coming from the FAA. The Federal Aviation Administration gives grants to communities and their airports to be able to maintain the highest level of safety and efficiency across the whole national air transportation system. Additionally, in this particular project, the total cost of about $15.4 million, we've got the majority of funding coming from the FAA, and then about $2.2 million of that 15.4 come from local airport-generated funds. They're not local sales tax or property tax monies. Additionally, we had a third partner in this project, which was the Colorado State Aeronautics Division, who gave us a grant for about $450,000. Also, those same funds are part of user fees that are generated from fuel taxes, from fuel purchased in the state of Colorado. So all of our funding partners have worked together along with Pitkin County to ensure that this project really does work well for the community, both in the short term and in the long term.